Welcome back, folks. I hope all of you are doing well. Today is a very interesting day for two reasons. One, I'm going to share with you newbie tips on multiplication. So, if you are a newcomer, we are starting to use Excel and we are going to enjoy the different ways of multiplying. If you're a senior Excel user, definitely there is a lot for you to learn in that as well. But the second good reason of today, or special reason of today, is that Devart is celebrating its birthday. And on that special occasion, Devart has decided to share with us a coupon code, as you can see up on the screen. This coupon is for you guys to go and enjoy the application. So 20% of discount on Devart's birthday today. So let's celebrate their birthday, enjoy their application. If you have not enjoyed their application yet, there is a link up there and down in the comments as well. Please approach that video, approach their link, and see what their application can give you or their add-on can provide you. So this discount is very specially on these applications that you see over here, these add-ins on the screen. Enjoy it. Let's start working on how we can enjoy multiple ways of using Excel to multiply. So on the screen, I can show you very simply, and I go a little bit more zoomed in. We can use is equal to 2 and then static sign multiplied by 3. That's a simple multiplication that you can use in order to get yourself a multiply on Excel. It can't be more simple than this. Another way to do this is, for example, if I have this 6 and 2, let's say, and we want to multiply that, is equal to product, sorry, I'm too fast. Product. Okay, let me write the code here. This is the syntax, product. And then I will select 1 and then comma. And depends on your keyboard, it can be a different sign as well. Some countries like Hungary, for example, uses colon for that. So as per your keyboard, select, and it will show you. When you go here, you can see Excel shows you should write what? Colon or comma. So it's easy. So I put comma, and then the second one, and enter. There you go. This was an easy way to multiply as well. So we have learned two ways to multiply one thing or something. And by the way, the same way you can do that with simply multiplying two cells. For example, is equal to 6 and then static sign and then 12. So this will also give you a multiplication. Now, I'm going to show you yet another interesting tip to multiply. That is, if you have, for example, a lot of data here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 55, etc., etc., and you want to multiply it with 6. So simply you have to Control C, copy, and then select where you want to multiply it. So we will multiply each one of these cells with 6. We have already copied 6. So now I go to home, and in the home I have paste, and in the paste in the bottom there's paste special. Click on the paste special, and there are so many options here. Very interesting, and you can select multiply. The moment you will click it, your numbers will be multiplied with the 6 that you copied on your dashboard. So with this, folks, I hope you enjoyed how to multiply different ways. It's quite interesting, especially when you're playing with big data. So if you're a newcomer, practice it, try it. And if you're a senior Excel user, I hope you enjoyed it. So try it and please share your comments in the comment section how you multiply and if there are any other ways you believe it can be done more efficiently and better. I look forward for that. So once again, thank you very much for your so much love and so much passion that you share in the comments with me. Your opinions about the videos, please keep them coming. And if you are a newcomer and you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please do that, because with this you will be able to get my new videos coming to you. So stay in touch, look at the Devart overview now, and I look forward to speak to you very soon again. Till then, take care and ciao ciao.